In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send ETH from Coinbase. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Open up the Coinbase app on your iOS or smartphone device. Now locate the asset that you want to send from Coinbase. In this sense, I want to send some ETH or Ethereum. Click send and make sure that you are checking the Ethereum/ETH network. And then under the address, you can copy and then you can paste the address. Or you can scan it with the QR code on the receiving end. So my phone has detected that it is pasted from another wallet, and I'm going to click allow paste. As you can see, you can click the wallet that you would like to send it. Then in this case, it's another wallet, and then click continue. Now right here, you can type in how much Ethereum or ETH that you would like to send. In this case, I'm going to send a small amount for transaction and educational purposes only. You can even add a note if you would like, and you can even preview the transaction on what it would look like before you actually send cryptocurrency. And as you can see, the network is to Ethereum and you have 2 to your other wallet. I have a note and I even have the send time, which it says it's estimated to be less than 5 minutes. And then we have the total, and there's even a small network fee. And then now we click send. Congratulations, you have just successfully sent ETH/Ethereum from Coinbase. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours in money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.